everyone, it's Lisa from Tutoring with Lisa. Welcome to another Social Sunday video. This one's all about editing your audience on Facebook, or in other words, who's seeing your stuff on Facebook. So I'm going to start with showing you how from a new post. So I'm just in my profile here and I'm clicking into posting, and you can see here it says friends. That's what it's defaulting on. So all I need to do is click on it anywhere really there, and you can see a whole bunch of different privacy options. So you could see the first one here is public, anyone on or off Facebook, friends, friends accept, and you can see I have an example here, sorry to these two people, and then specific friends only, where you could choose if you want to pick only specific people to see the post, only you, or custom, where you can exclude and include people specifically only. It's very cool. And you could also set for your limited profile if you've got that set up. So these are really cool. All you need to do is set that up based off your choice. Depends what you want to see. We want everybody to see. If you want public, remember you just click and then it changes for you. And then all you need to do is go about your post normally, type your text, add your content, and then you would press post. I'm going to exit though. So what you could also do is change your audience from a previous post that you've already made. So I'm going to go into my post here that I have shared about an article I wrote. You can feel free to check it out here too. It's from the j.ca. So what you would want to do to edit your audience is click on these three dots. Then what you do is click on edit audience. And you get those very same options. So I'm actually going to change this because I want this to be public so that anybody could see it. And that also means that it's shareable for anybody. So then that means the share button will appear for everybody now. If it's public, anybody could share it, anybody can see it. If it's private just to you, it's not going to be shareable. So hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. techtutoringwithlisa@gmail.com or send me a message and anywhere you're seeing this. Hope this helps. Bye.